Hello everyone, and you're very welcome to my channel. Have you ever wanted to be a voice actor? Have you ever wondered where you would even begin to start looking? Well, I've got some good news for you, because today I'm announcing that I am an official voiceover coach, and I can get you started on your journey. Let's have a look at some of the things that I will teach you to get you started in voice acting. So, equipment is the first thing. Of course, I'll tell you which equipment you'll need and what software you'll need to download. Audio settings, very important. I'll teach you the audio settings to give you that best quality sound for your voiceover. Soundproofing. I can tell you and show you how you can soundproof almost any area to make it accessible and worthy for voice acting and voiceover. Demos. I will show you how to build your own demo and get you out into the world. If it's a commercial demo, a character demo, we can work on all that when the time comes. Freelance sites. I will show you all the freelance sites to join and, of course, to get yourself out there. And what's important when you join these freelance sites is the keywords and the thumbnails. Really important. And, of course, how to brand yourself in the world of voiceover. So there you have it, folks. If you want to get started in the world of voiceover and voice acting, I can help you. This will be done via a Zoom video call or over 2 or 3 sessions, or how many you like, to get you started on your journey. I will leave my website address in the description. And if you're interested, please send me a message. I look forward to hearing from you and getting you started on your voice acting journey.